and I used to apply them with acrylic and monomer. Now I don't need that. Cover the entire nail with it. Take your nail. Creamy potato cashew cream soup. It's not the time to overdo it. And on day 8, we're going to be great. Once we do these nails, I decided to give myself a break. Y'all enjoying our Vlogmas so far? Let's talk about these nails. I have recently found a way to do my nails where I don't need glue to put them on. So I do full cover, and I used to apply them with acrylic and monomer. Now I don't need that. Want to see how? Me too. And through experimentation, I found out a easier way for me to put on my nails. I use full cover. I used to use acrylic and monomer to put it on. So we got our color wheel of all the swatches of dip powders. These are all from Model Ones, and with the exception of Mia's Secret Bam white acrylic powder French 3D. I may or may not use that, so we'll see. Model Ones packages this with their dip powders, and they come in these kits of 0.28 ounces. Base adheres powder to the nail, and so one day, because I was out of the glue, it was just getting tacky and drying up where I wouldn't be able to use it, getting hard. I took the base top coat. You can do this either way. This is the way I prefer to do it. To put it on the nail first, just as if I'm dipping dip powder, but no powder. Cover the entire nail with it. Take your nail, full cover nail, make sure there's no air bubbles. Firmly press in. Okay, there's air bubbles. I don't like. Hold that for a little bit, and it will bond the nail to your nail. No glue. I suggest using 2-in-1, the base and top coat, instead of just the base by itself. Only because I haven't tested with just the base coat. We need for that to not have any air bubbles. Nail polish remover. 100% acetone from Dollar Tree. You don't have to spend a fortune to get it. And these are one of these twist and lock tops that I love so much. That click, locked it, unlock it, lock it, unlock it. We're going to start over and do it the opposite way. And you don't want to snatch this off because you don't want to damage your nail. But you see, just with that little bit of time, see how much effort? Let's buff this again. I'm going to try to put it in the nail instead. And I'm not editing this out because I feel like you should add the mistakes in there. It makes it more welcoming and inviting to know, okay, you don't get stuff correct on the first try. When I was trying this, before I even thought to, I was like, okay, this is I was messing up then too. I was walking around with just one nail, which just so happened to be the thumb. Really. I think this is the best way to do it, to put it on the nail, then put it on your full cover nail or nail tip, and then onto your nail, versus the other way around like I tried. Hold that for a couple seconds more, and we are going to finish up the rest of the nails. All right. Finally have these nails done, and a little bit more, it will be midnight. I'm right-handed, so this was easy to take care of my left hand. I left one of them semi-matte. However, these are the ones I had trouble with. So I'm going to take care of some cleaning here and there. I'm hungry, and I've been thinking about making a creamy potato cashew cream soup. Finally got that done. Just a quick encouraging word and a quick encouraging thought. When people go through, that affects everything else. So if you are the type of person that likes to yell and you are not taking the time to pause to understand why that is the matter and why everything's showing up the way that it is, I caution you to exercise compassion for those that struggle with it. I like to make cleaning a fun thing, as if like a game show or something similar adjacent to that. That's always made it a whole lot easier for me to get into the mode of cleaning and even decorating. I'll make it a task and a challenge for myself to be like, okay, what can I do with my creativity and turn it into something that can inspire someone, or turn it into something that I can be proud of. Show more people compassion, especially during the holidays. It's not only good to take time out for me time and self-care, but if you're not on that end of the spectrum, make sure you exercise some strong compassion towards the person. Just something I wanted to share and have a little heart to heart with you all. And that's whether you're a part of the squad or if you're watching me for the first time. It's not the time to overdo it. It's time to pause. Now, let's go get that potato soup. So I was way too hungry to show you guys the soup. Plus the lighting was bad. But it's finished, and I added a little spinach to it and some truffle salt. I'll call it a night. Until next time.